Hi, I'm Zachariah Shack, an incoming freshman at Northeast Alabama from Gaston, Alabama. The reason I chose Northeast is because it gives me the opportunity to continue to play the sport I love, as well as being a student athlete that comes to a school that values academics and sports. It was important for me to come here because I believe the coaching and family that the team provides will be a great opportunity for me to grow as a person and player.
Cervantes, I'm a sophomore here at Northeast Alabama Community College. I chose Northeast Community College because it gave me the opportunity to continue playing the game I love while also building a future for myself. From day one, I felt like this is a place where I could grow as a player and as a person. The impact I want to make is to help build a winning culture and be a leader on and off the field. And also leave a legacy that others can be proud of, and I'm proud to represent Northeast. I'm so excited for what we can accomplish together.
My name is Yancey Flamenco. I'm an incoming freshman. I'm from Collins, Alabama. The reason I came to Northeast is because I wanted to continue playing the game I love while continuing my education. From the moment I got here, it felt like a place where I could better myself as a player and as a person. The coaches believed in me, my teammates welcomed me, and I knew this was a place where I could push myself to be better every day. I'm here to compete, represent the program with pride, and do something special. I want to give everything for my teammates when I step on the field, and I want to thank my family, God, and I'm excited for what's ahead.
Hi, my name is Jose Arreguin, and I'm from Boaz, Alabama. I'm entering my sophomore year here as a captain. There could be many reasons for why I chose Northeast Community College, but the main reason would be God allowed me to be here. I have formed new friendships, met new peers, and faced new challenges, but I'm nothing but grateful for all of it. All these little details in my life help me to become the man I need to be. Not only am I here to chase academic excellence, but it's also an opportunity for my athletic career. I am grateful to be here, and I am grateful for everybody here. The culture and environment here is very friendly, welcoming, and everybody just wants you to be the best version of yourself every day. All that's left to do is leave my mark here, and Lord willing, it will be done.